Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on ZTE Blade V70 Vita. Alright, we need to open up our app. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now tap on the settings. Find chats, scroll down, child backup, and now let's begin with Google account. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. It will be stored in the cloud. So for example, if I want to restart our backup later in the future, I'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that I have selected right now during the backup process. Of course, if you're interested, you can click on Add Account, then sign in into different Google account. It is up to you. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I set it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature. If you want, you can pick between those modes possible on the screen. Let's also include the videos on our backup. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. It's an extra security feature. In here you will be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats, but be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats, everything will be lost, so if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's an extra feature, it's not necessary to turn it on. You need to have some free Google storage space right in here, and now to create a backup, hit this green button. The process will now begin. In my case it will take like 5 seconds because I don't have many messages on this account. Okay, we have the last backup, we can see the hour, we can compare them, so they are the same. It means that everything went successfully, and down below we can see the size of our backup also. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.